What do you think? The Nifty and the Bank Nifty is going to be a bull, bear or sideways for tomorrow? Please put your comments. If you really want to be a successful trader and want to gain money out from the stock market, the first and the foremost which you need to understand is about the Nifty and the Bank Nifty price movements. Take any individual stock in the market which moves up and down in relation with the Nifty and the Bank Nifty price movements only. In this series of video, we are going to discuss, analyze and predict the price movements for Nifty and the Bank Nifty on a daily basis with the help of technical chart patterns, candlestick patterns, buyers and the seller psychology. So please get in touch on a daily basis to understand where the Nifty is going and where the Bank Nifty is going, whether are we on a buy side or are we on a sell side. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a deep dive technical analysis on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty for Monday, that is on December 12, 2022. If you see the chart on my screen, I clearly explain where exactly the support and where exactly the resistance for Nifty 50 and where the more number of buyers are waiting to buy and where the more number of sellers are waiting to sell the Nifty 50 index. So the long term pattern for Nifty 50 is a sideways. If you could able to see the chart, the Nifty 50 is in a parallel channel for a longer period of time, but the short term trend for Nifty 50 is a bull trend. If you see the chart on my screen, from here until here, the Nifty 50 is in a parallel channel where both the buyers and sellers are trying to make their hand, either it could be a bull side or a buy side. But if you see the short term trend, clearly here I have drawn an uptrend which is showing here from the date 20th June 2022 until today. The Nifty 50, the short term trend for a Nifty 50 is a bull trend. You could able to see here clearly this is a very strong resistance. If you see, this is a very strong resistance and where more number of sellers are waiting here, but the index has broke that resistance with a heavy volume just before a week back, and now it's just not retracing to the same support level. See, we all know that when the resistance is broken, it's going to be a support. When the support is broken, then it's going to be a resistance level. This is a basic technical understanding. So if you clearly see that whatever the resistance which is broken by the Nifty 50 is going to be a strong support here. So the Nifty 50 is in a strong support zone right now. So we have three options where the Nifty 50 is going to be: either it's going to go into a positive direction with a huge profits, or else the trend line which I have shown here, right? So the Nifty 50 may come to the trend line again here with a higher highs and then reverse from the trend line as a second option. And the third option what we have is like the Nifty 50 may break down the existing bull trend and go into a downtrend. But as in my prediction and as in my experience, I'm sure that the Nifty 50 is going to be a bull side. Either it could go from here until the buy side and until the bull side, or else it will again come to a little down until this pattern and then will go from here. If you see the chart of Nifty 50 on an hourly basis, I could clearly see that there is a strong support here for Nifty 50. We see this candle, this is a very bullish candle. See, this is a strong support for Nifty 50, meaning like there were so many buyers are waiting at this point. So the reason the Nifty 50 has already broke the strong resistance and then trying to retrace until the strong support, and you could able to see a very huge big green candle with a heavy volume, meaning that the Nifty 50 is going to be a bull side. My suggestion over here is, we are all on the bull side. Make sure you buy an option or a future on a positive note on the bull side, and you keep a stop loss just below this big candle, that is at 18,400. Make sure you keep the stop loss at 18,380. that is the safest stop loss. Is because like sometimes right, in the markets there were many times that the novice traders were getting faked out with the fake candles. So to just avoid those fake out from Nifty 50, make sure you kept the stop loss at 380. That's the best and the safest stop loss. And I'm giving you a suggestion that the Nifty 50 is going to be a positive side from now. So either we can able to buy a Nifty 50 future, or we can able to be on a call buy option to gain more profits from Nifty 50. Let me reiterate what I have explained to you just before. The overall trend for Nifty 50 is on the sideways, but the short term trend for Nifty 50 is on the bull side. So we're all on a bull side, where the Nifty 50 is going to break whatever the resistance which I am showing here, on the red lines. This is again a resistance. This is a very small resistance where very few less number of sellers are waiting here. So then I'm sure that the Nifty 50 is going to break this resistance and move into the higher highs again. And let's come to the deep dive analysis of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is a little bit different than the Nifty 50. It's because like the Bank Nifty has already broke the strong resistance level and the retest was already completed, and then now it's going to be in a bull phase. See, if you see the chart of Bank Nifty on my screen, the overall trend for a long time for Bank Nifty is in the sideways parallel channel. So the Bank Nifty is in a bull. The short term trend for a Bank Nifty is a bull trend. If you see the chart here clearly, which is mentioning that the short term trend for a Bank Nifty is in a bull trend. See here, it's a bull trend. So we see the higher highs, 1 2 3, and then again this one. So we see the higher highs. This means that the Bank Nifty is completely in a bull trend. The options what we have here is, we have two options. Either the Bank Nifty is going to be a bull side completely, or is going to retest until this trend line and then go to the positive side. That is the option 2. So the only option where we have right now is either could be on a buy side or a sell side. But my suggestion over here is just wait for a Bank Nifty, is because like this is completely not a predictable. We don't know whether the Bank Nifty is going to move continuously on the positive side, or it is going to retest until this trend line and then go into the bull side. So we are something like in a confusion where the Bank Nifty is going in future. So just wait for some more time to make sure and understand whether the Bank Nifty is going to be a bull trend or a bear trend. But for Nifty 50 for sure is going to be a bull trend. It's going to retrace from here and then going to the trend line 1, or it's going to little bit retest again the trend line and will move further to the second channel which I have just showed on the screen. I hope you understand exactly about the technical analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, where exactly the strong resistance and where exactly the strong support, where exactly that you could able to see more number of buyers and the heavy volume, and what exactly the current trend for Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, whether are we on a buy side or a sell side. Please make sure you subscribe the channel. Please make sure you put any comments. Thank you very much for watching. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life.